we'll guide you through how to create 3D models in Blender. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender on your desktop. You'll start in the default layout, and you'll see a simple cube in the center of your workspace. This is your starting point for modeling. To create a new model, you can delete this cube by selecting it and pressing the Delete key on your keyboard. Now, let's add a new shape. Go to the top left corner, click on the Add menu, hover over Mesh, and select the shape you want to work with, like a sphere or a cylinder. Once you've added your shape, you can move, rotate, or scale it using the transform tools located on the left side of your screen. To start editing the shape, switch to Edit mode by pressing the Tab key. Here, you can select vertices, edges, or faces by clicking on the icons located at the top of the screen. Use the G key to grab and move parts of your model, the R key to rotate, and the S key to scale. If you want to extrude parts of your model to create more complex shapes, select a face, press the E key, and move your mouse to extrude. Don't forget to use the scroll wheel to zoom in and out for more precision. You can also hold the middle mouse button to orbit around your model, giving you a better view from different angles. Once you're happy with your model, switch back to object mode by pressing Tab again. Remember to save your work frequently by clicking File and then Save As. Choose your file name and location, and make sure to save it as a .blend file. This way you can come back and edit your model later. Experiment with different shapes, tools, and modes to get more comfortable with Blender. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.